Hello mga kananay! For today's vlog, isasama ko kayo sa snow trip namin for this winter 2024. Dalawa pa lang anak ko noon. Si Iverson was 2 years old at that time. At yung kuya niya na super excited makita yung snow for the second time. Yung first trip kasi niya, he was 2 years old. Hindi na ata niya naalala yun. At pagdating namin doon, grabe, ang daming tao. Kilala nga pala itong snow resort na to for toboggan slide. Perfect for kids. Si Iverson kahit maliit pa, walang takot. Sobrang tawa habang bumababa. Sinamahan ko pala siyang mag-slide kasi baby pa siya. Kaso lang, nakakapagod umakyat. It was fun though. Nag one day trip lang kami dito. It was 2 hours drive I guess, if I'm not mistaken. Sa ngayon, winter 2025, nasa bahay lang kami. Hindi kami makapag-snow dahil may newborn ako. Si Lucas. Yes, mom of 3 boys. Maybe in few years, makapag-snow naman kami ulit kapag maybe nasa 2 years old above na si Lucas. But we have planned na mag-spring kami this month, last month of winter na pala. Bibisita kasi yung kapatid ko dito. Anyway, bye for now.